Hi, I'm Jill, and today we're gonna change the heel on your memes. No worries, it will take no time at all, and it's super easy. We need to imitate the foot movement. Therefore, put your meme on the table in front of you. Press up the lever until the back part opens. Slide off the old heel and press the lever back down. Take the new heel and slide it onto your meme. Press your finger up here and simulate the step while pressing down the back part. Now move the rear part of the shoe upwards. Continue to press the front of the shoe with the other hand and press the sole on the heel. Did you hear a click? In case the heel isn't perfectly attached to the shoe, simply repeat what we just did until it is a perfect fit. That's it! Have lots of fun with your new memes. Super easy, oops, sorry. No worries, it will In case the heel isn't perfectly, perfectly, that's it. Have lots of fun. Hi.